Hi guys, welcome back to another Prof Vlog. Today we'll be going to KL, my friends. You can see them at the back. Yeah, so right now we are at Galang Pata RNR, the Petronas, northbound one at Tuas side. Yeah, so we rode over from our place over here with Merzan, Ben. No, that's Merzan.
Hello, hello.
Merzan, why are you riding today?
Today I'm riding my Spark. No,
This doesn't look like a Spark.
Just a PSA. He's the burnout king, by the way.
And we have Ben over here. Ben, why are you riding today?
Super 4.
Super 4. Rebel.
Yeah.
You can see over here there's quite a number of Super 4s now. And yeah, and I'm riding my Bruiser. So after resting for a while over here, we'll be moving off to Kulai RNR lah. Wow, the lighting quite bad. Yeah, Kulai RNR to meet Kongho, Billy and Osha. Yeah. So okay lah, it's time to hit the roads. Right now we're waiting for Fayaz. He went to pray. Yeah, that's why he's not in this video. Okay. Okay, speaking of him, he's back. There is Fayaz. Hi Fayaz.
What is this?
What is this? This is Prof Vlogs. You'll be on YouTube, da?
Ah, serious? Wow.
Yeah, so we were waiting for him. Now it's time to hit the roads lah. Okay. See you later. Okay, so we just reached Kulai RNR. Yeah, we met up with Billy, Osha, and Pagoh. Pagoh is riding the video. Yeah, I'm taking video of you. Pagoh is riding the Africa Twin. This one. This is Billy's Honda X and Osha's Super 4. As you can see, all the Super 4s together. This trip we got like 4 Super 4, 1 400X, a Buza and an Africa Twin. My cousin will be joining us on Saturday and Sunday. It's a 650, CBR 650. If you all saw my Malacca vlog lah. Yeah. So we're going to take a quick photo over here before we move off. Maybe get a quick bite also. Not sure if there's any shops over here. Before we move off to KL and burn some rubber on the roads. Excited, man. Okay, see y'all in the... Maybe we'll be taking a quick stop at Pagoh to pump. Yeah. Other than that, I think maybe you can just stop at Pagoh lah later. I'm not sure lah. So later y'all see lah. Okay. See y'all. We are at Machap RNR now. Merzan has to pump because RSV4 has a small tank. So yeah. Just to make sure he doesn't run out of fuel, we are stopping over here. Probably after this, we'll make our way to Pagoh RNR, maybe get our proper breakfast. Yeah. You don't see the Aprilia over there. Oops, random stranger. Ting Tong also pumping. Yeah, so another maybe 50 plus km to Pagoh RNR. Yeah, so see y'all there. Right, so we just reached Pagoh RNR. We pumped our fuel and now we are parking. Yeah, we are parking because we want to head up to grab something to eat for proper breakfast. Yeah, later we'll be heading up there. Yeah, Africa Twin got need some help to park.
Also buy big bag cannot put.
Tunggu ba?
Careful. So you go mention. Okay. Wow, good job. Second. Hey boss, got the tree setting with hands again.
That is the parking situation. No, the three Super 4 park together. And why Fayaz park alone? All the Super 4 park over there, Fayaz.
Hey. Never mind.
Fayaz the odd one out.
Hey, I want to join the
Speed demon don't park together with the slow one.
I off already. Later, before we leave, then we find back.
Okay. Yeah, so we'll be heading up now lah. Right, so now we are at Nasi Ayam Pagoh, this stall over here. They mainly sell chicken rice lah. So me and Ben got chicken rice over here.
Yes.
The rest of them are still downstairs.
Smoking.
Yeah, we decided to escape from the hot weather lah, so we came up first. Is that? Oh yeah.
Oh,
it's ready already. That was fast.
Yep.
So the rest of them have come up already lah. So, and I think they have ordered their food already, but they are seated over there. Yeah, I think most of them got food also. Yeah, so we're gonna start digging in. Thanks Ben for queuing up for like 15 minutes.
No worries, no
Yeah,
worries.
for the drinks. Yeah. There's only one shop selling drinks, so it was like a long queue. Yeah. Okay lah. So after eating here, we'll be heading straight to KL lah, I think. Yeah, we probably won't be taking a pit stop. Or we might be going to Terminal Pantai Highway to take some pictures first. Yeah.
One more.
Okay, so yep, we're gonna be digging in, and I will catch you all later. Take a look at the chicken. There's a lot of bones. I don't like bones, but what else?
Alright.
Right. So we're gonna be digging in, and I'll see you all later. Maybe at Terminal Pantai Highway lah. See you all. Alright, so we just reached Terminal Pantai Highway. Second time here. First time for Ben.
First time? Here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Everyone taking photos, so I better get out of the way. We lined up the bikes all. Just nice to take a photo.
Oh, you're gonna come with that?
The weather here is super hot, man. Like literally no shade at all for us. Take a look at the lineup of the bikes. Pretty good, right? And we got like a couple of photographers.
So hot. Oh, water.
How's the ride here, Mazan?
Right here was tiring,
Tiring.
and I'm tired.
Yeah, my back is hurting too, man.
I'm hurting.
I'm sweating. The lineup of the bikes looks quite sick.
Yeah, I thought of moving very colors.
We go closer.
Hey, but nice, yeah.
Nice, right?
Hey,
Go closer.
faster, your tire turning too much, lah.
Oof, the view though.
My tire stuck, bro. I cannot move back.
Second time here, and I still can't get enough of this view. Yeah, it's too
Okay.
beautiful, man. You don't get this type of view in Singapore.
Okay, I got mine. Take your bike, dog. Take your bike, too. No.
How's it right here?
We got lost. Then we almost had a lot of close calls.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Prasan made a last minute turn when he was the lead rider. And Ben almost had to overtake a Mercedes van or something, I think, at last minute. Oh, and then I also had to make a last minute exit.
The exit.
Oh yeah. The last part.
Only one person to
Chinese people
blame.
privilege. Expressway.
Why
You all asked me to lead what?
Pasal
Yeah,
I
that's
last minute
his
exit to the
excuse.
call where I go out the fucking
No, I got
We're gonna
distracted.
take some more photos.
You got distracted by the fucking fire. The car was smoke.
I tell you who almost died. 1, 2, 3. Exiting the except for me exiting the expressway. Exiting the expressway.
Oh, it was close call, but okay lah. It was. We're all still alive.
Look at Mazan putting in the effort.
Right, so after this, probably one more pit stop, and yeah, we'll be headed to our Airbnb to crash. We all just reached our Airbnb. What's the time? Now it's 3:38. We just parked our bikes and now we are heading to the lobby to go and check in finally after, wow, I can say about 8 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours. Wow. Yeah, all of us are super shacked and tired. Probably gonna go to Sunway Velocity Mall to get our lunch, late lunch. Now it's 3:30. Yeah, 3:38. Yeah. Later I'll show you all the room later. Okay, see you all later. Right, so we just reached our Airbnb and started packing. Started unpacking.
Yeah, so this is how it is. There's a matang table there. Yeah. This is the toilet. It's small. I'll show you this. Oh, laundry area. There's only 2 rooms.
It's only 2 rooms, so it's pretty compact and squeezy. Okay, I'm back. This is the master bedroom where they give us like 1, 2, 3, 4 beds. And the toilet. Yeah. That's why this unit can fit like 11 packs in total. There's like 2 sofa beds also. And this is the other bed.
With one pull-out bed below and then one king size. Yeah. And that's the last toilet.
Yeah, and that's all for our unit tour. Yeah, probably gonna get our late lunch. It's 4 p.m. already. Yeah, maybe go to the Sunway Velocity Mall, which is nearby. Yeah. Okay, see you all later. Right now we are at Sushi King for our late lunch.
Doesn't matter actually. Okay.
The rest of them are support over there. Promotion.
Yeah, so we're gonna start ordering and then we're gonna start eating. Probably head back to our Airbnb to crash because we are super tired. See y'all later. Yeah, so instead of watching a movie, we're now going to eat our supper at restaurant Zafran. Right.
This is it. Let's go, Mazan.
Let's go. Only Kongo and Osha didn't join us. They are still sleeping. I didn't want to disturb them, so we never forced them to join us. Yeah.
Go.
Korea playing.
There we walk out.
I walk out. Hey.
You are sick, man. You were there, right now.
Okay,
Okay, so on today's episode of Eat, Drink, Lepak, we are at Zafran restaurant, and the rest will be explained by Mirzan Haider.
I'm going into on flash.
Flash.
Is it better? Yeah.
Yeah.
On flash. Yeah, so I ordered lamb biryani.
Ordered tea?
Yeah, food still haven't come.
And he ordered me.
No, I did not. I did not. Yeah.
So I'm gonna dig in first while it's hot.
And he bought.
Right, and I think we've come to the end of the vlog for today, day 1. Yeah. Tomorrow we headed to Sunway Lagoon. I'm looking forward to that.
The night's still young, bro.
No, it's a good night from all of us. Right. Good night, Ben.
Good night.
Okay. Ciao.